Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. I did my CVS haul for this week, November 1st till November 7th. Let's go to deal one by one. So first deal is on Alme. Alme this week is spend 12, get $6 extra bucks. So I bought this Alme blush. This was $12.79 at my store. And we all got a $5 Alme CRT. There are two different scenarios. If you have $6 of $20, then you can do differently. But I did only this $5 CRT scenario. So I used that $5 CRT. I rolled off $7.79, got back $6 extra bucks, making it $1.79 out of pocket. But this counts toward beauty, so I will get my $1.20 back, 27 cent around. So this will be around like 50 cent only for this one. Let's go to next. So on other card I have a Vazine CRT, two of them, and I have two for Cotton CRT as well. So I combined both of them and I did that transaction. So this Vazine was $7.79 at my store. I used two coupons, two CRTs of $3 each, and I used a coupon from coupons.com of $1.50. I think there is a coupon on CVS app as well that you can send to your card, and I used two CRTs of Cotton. So after that my total was so that reduces my total to $1.08. I paid off $1.74 out of pocket, making it $1.74. As such, there's no extra bucks are coming out for Vazine or anything at all. But if you are doing that deal, then you can definitely. But there is a spend 10, you get $3 extra bucks is also going on Beauty 360. So if you want to do that way, that is also there. If you have that $2 off 10 CRT for Beauty 360, don't forget to combine that. Let's go to next. So Eucerin this week is spend 20, get $10 extra bucks. So I bought Eucerin Skin Calming and Daily Hydration. Daily Hydration was $11.49 and Skin Calming was $9.79. So I used two coupons from Eucerin.com of $3. If you don't have any email ID, you just have to put their email ID, and then you will get $3 as a coupon. If you want $3.50, then you have to refer someone in their email, then you'll get $3.50 coupon. So I used $3, and I had $4 of $20 lotion CRT. I used all three of them, then reduces my total to $11, and I got back $10 extra bucks, making it $1.28 for both of them. This also counts toward beauty, so I will get back that amount as well, making it 80-cent moneymaker. So this was Listerine freebie because I got $3 Listerine CRT this week, and this Listerine was at my store was $4.19. I used $3 that CRT, making it $1.19 out of pocket. I believe this is good because it says Listerine Formally Reach Floss Ultra Clean Micro Groovies technology grabs up to 2x more plague. So I never used it before, so that's why I bought this. Let's try it. That's the beauty of our couponing, right? You can roll off your extra bucks and make it sure that you can try something new. Let's go to next. So CeraVe, there is no such deal, but there is buy one get one 40% off. I bought only one moisturizing cream because both CRTs were combining with them, and the $4 coupon that was also coming off. So I had $4 of CRT, $5 of CRT, and $4 coupon from CeraVe.com. So I combined all of them. It did not give me overage, but it reduces to $11.99 at all. So finally, the price was $11.99 for moisturizing cream, and it reduces exactly to the point, making it free. And you will get back the beauty bucks for the lotion. So that will make it $1 moneymaker in beauty. Okay, let's go to next. So as such, I was not buying Trident, but I did because we were out of Trident first thing at home. Second, there was some extra bucks that were going average. Like the amount total was 27, but I had to use $30 in extra bucks, so I had to adjust that. So I bought these two Trident. They were $159 each, and they are on buy two get $1 extra bucks, making it $2 out of pocket, but eventually that worked out. Let's go to next. So this is the best deal of this week, I think, because Neutrogena, we don't get usually Neutrogena. So there are three things going on with Neutrogena. First is buy two get $6 extra bucks, or buy three get $10 extra bucks. Then there is do you remember that you can submit the receipt and you will get back Visa gift card? So that is also going on with Neutrogena. If you want, let me know. I can put that in comments for you, the link. So if you will buy $25 and above on Neutrogena, you will get back $10 gift card from Activate Rewards. So I purchased these three. I purchased two foundation sticks. They were $17.99 at my store, and I bought this the remover, makeup remover, that was $7.49 at my store. Then I used two coupons of $4 for facial, and there was $4 coupon for cosmetics that also came off. Then I had a BOGO coupon that reduces the total to $13.99 because it always adjusts the manufacturer coupon first. Then I had a $3 Neutrogena makeup. Then I used $13 in extra bucks, and I paid $3.53. So basically I paid $16.53 out of pocket. I got $10 extra bucks, and then I submitted my receipt to Activate Rewards, and that also gave me $10 Visa gift card. So making it around $3 money maker. That $3 I used on different things like Elme, you can say not Visign because Visign was on other card, Listerine, and there is one more deal that is about to come. Then we can look on that one. Let's go to next. So this was freebie at my store because I had a $2 CRT. Means it would have been 99 cents only, but it did not scan. They were trying to scan on the CVS thing, but it did not work out. So that's why I couldn't buy it. They couldn't put it into. I don't want to fight on a bar with them. That's just a bar. But if you have that CRT that's working on this, this is into the healthcare section where you can buy the muscle powder and others. This was there, so you can go ahead and take that one. So it will be freebie. If it work out for you, then it will be great. Let's go to next. So next is pain relief deal. So I bought Icy Hot dry spray. This one is for lidocaine. That one it is, and then I bought two Thermacare. They were $7.99. So Thermacare was $7.99 at my store each, and Icy Hot was $13.49. Then I used two coupons of $3 for Thermacare, and there was $3 CRT on Icy Hot that I have. I had $1 coupon on CVS app that I sent to cart. Then I had 5 of 25 coupon that also came off. After that, that reduces my total to $14.47. I got back $3 for buying 2 of Thermacare. I got back $3 from Icy Hot for spending $12, making it $8.47 out of pocket. Then I submitted to receipt to Ibotta. I got back $2 for Thermacare, one for each, and $2 for Icy Hot, making it $4.47 out of pocket. That we can use it on we got from Neutrogena. That's why I always say, always do the money maker deals. That will always help you in saving more. Okay. So this was my haul, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope this will help you in saving more. Let me know in comments if you have any other deal that I missed that can help me, or if you need any other scenario that also I can help you with. Thank you.